All right, Mom. So we're here.
We're here. Here we're
It's the Mother's Day
in the
gift.
middle of nowhere.
So this is 5 acres
You bought me bushes?
of farmland. Happy Mother's Day. You're gonna be a farmer. Congratulations. You like this woodland channel?
No.
It's your mom. It's your mom's Mother's Day gift.
Like literally a forest.
Alright, so we're homeowners, landowners. There are so many kind of owners.
Oh my God! There's our bees. Don't go any further.
Those are big frogs.
It's bees.
What are you doing this with you, man?
You don't want to go walk the land?
Why would I do that? There are so many bugs and stuff. I appreciate the land because it's what equity or it's an investment. I should be happier, like, yay, land.
They're coming.